Okay, guys, and in this video I'm just like gonna show you how to do 3 nice skins. Oh no, four nice skins. Firstly, you just like go to character. Here you have to find that one. Okay, I like you scroll down and it's gonna be like in the nearly in the like you go here it's gonna be like this one. You get it, click it and get the torso. When you have the torso on you, so it's gonna look like this perfectly. Now you just like go to here, and here you on the chill on the like in the young, you just like get to that one. But oh my, you get here this one. Here, wait. This one you get over here. Yeah, and in the wait, in the how do I say it? Oh, here you just like do it like this over here. So just copy my settings, so like this, yeah. The girl one, yeah. So, but if you get the boy one, so it's gonna be like this. But if you get the girl one, like this. But now we here need to have it this like this. So the not you have it here like this. This we have it that I already showed you like this, and also that we have to no this thing we just like get it also like that, and it's gonna look like this. So pretty nice, pretty cute. And now you go to the leg, to the first one. You click now on this one, but wait, now you click on this one. No wait, oh, now you click on this leg, and in another like leg you have to choose the same. Okay, it's I think it was like so these 2 legs, just get them, it's easy. And now when you have all this, or we could like mess up and get this one, but no, we have to get this one. Okay, what you have, you go to the arms, and you get those 2 arms that I'm gonna show you now. Okay, if you already have this one, so you just have to have this too. Those 2, yeah. Okay, when you finish doing this, you now go to the closest. And the closest you have to them. You know, go to the head and body. Go to them. Okay, so you just have to get and go accessories, face accessories, and here you have to write the mink. So we just write mink, and okay, here we have those, but from here we don't need them. And so we in the faces we have to, okay, I'm gonna like see once, but wait, yeah. So like this, yeah. Yeah. So okay, now you just have to search the. Well, you go over here, go to the hats, and in the hats you go over here and found find this hat. So now I'll show what you need to do then. Okay, another time to accessories. So and here we go to the face one. Yeah, perfect. Now you just write the checks. Okay, you write checks, and when you wrote on it, you'll have these faces. You have that one. Well, you have a lot of faces here, but we choose this one. So we have to have this face. Okay, now we go to the clothes. Here we go over here. So, and now we write this thing. Okay, so you just like write top, yeah? And in the tops, oh yeah, top, you have to write top red, yeah. And here we will have this ones, but you have to choose that top, this one, yeah? So, or, okay, wait, I just like, it's not this one, yeah? Wait, yeah, wait. Okay, so you go here, and here you write the top, yeah? So, when you have it, okay, you will have these tops, these types, so like this, yeah? But you have to scroll pretty down, and now we're gonna choose this top. So, that top we need, because it's gonna be a pink skin, so we need to have this top, yeah? So we just got this top, pretty good. Now we go to over here and write this thing. Okay, here you just write pink. Okay, wait. Pink. You just write like here pink, and now you have to choose this one. Okay, so now you just scroll down a little bit, and you have to choose. Okay, I'll show you it now. What was? Wait, second please. Wait. And now, so you have to choose. Oh my, I think I lost it. But okay. I tried to find it. Okay, so you have to choose. Oh yeah. I already know where it was. Wait. It's order. And now you have to choose this one. So that one, yeah, because it's like looks pretty beautiful, pretty nice. I think, yeah, pretty nice. Okay, and now you go to these ones and write nothing. Okay. Oh my. Okay, so write white. Yeah, white. Okay, I don't have it, but I'll try here. No, nothing. Oh. White and white, I think. White. Maybe here. Oh yeah, here we have it, but I don't need these ones, yeah? Okay, so just like wait, I'm gonna search it. Yeah, I'll like just search. Oh, I know. Okay, wait. Okay, you have to write black short and get this one. Because it's good, yeah? So, now go to here, the shoes. And here we'll write pink. So, when you have the word written, I think here's nothing, yeah? And that's for, okay, I think we maybe could have. Okay, you will have in the over here this ones. Okay, wait, just like okay. Oh, you will have these ones and get them. get these ones. Yeah. Now go to the hair. Going to the hair, you write how it was brown. Brown. When you have the word brown, okay, I think, yeah, brown straight, brown straight. Okay, I think we don't have here anything, so okay, you just write brown. When you have it, you just scroll a little bit down, and over there, I think it was this one. No, and find now here this one. Yeah. When you have it, it looks pretty nice, I think. Yeah. Now go to the wait. So if we how it was yellow. Yellow, like this. Okay, no, nothing. You just get this one, yeah. And now you just, oh my, what's? Wait, I have just to like. Okay, nothing. Okay, so now here you just like go to the accessories and go to the here, yeah. Now write pink. When you wrote in pink, you'll have lots of things here, but you have to choose that one. Okay, this one. You have to choose this one. Yeah, so it looks pretty like nice, I think. And now go to otherwise here, and I think it was here, but couldn't be. Okay, nothing. Okay, now go to otherwise accessories. Oh, better this one. Okay, you have it here. Yeah. Okay, I have to just get. Oh my. Oh. So like this, yeah. Okay. Doesn't matter. We'll just get this one like this. Okay, so just like this, yeah. And now you'll have to get the over here and write P and K, pink. So when you wrote in pink, the first one is this one, and oh, you didn't got it. You have to get this one. It looks pretty nice, I think. Yeah. Now to get to the hair, now write. Now you have to get pink. You just write it like pink and get this one. When you have it, you just like get it over here and write pink another time. You'll have it, but this one you don't have, and this one now you have to get that one. So when you have it, you have to go over here, and now you'll have wait, it's not this one. Well, here we don't need anything again, but wait, right, pay and cut pink. Okay, and here I think we could need it something. Let's just like wait. Oh, better we get like that one, and okay. But okay, not matter. You just get this one, and okay, the avatar is on. It's I think pretty nice. not bad. And now go to the second one. Yeah.